This is Probate Step by Step. How do probate property sales work here in San Diego County? Hi, I'm Ashley Rivera with Probate and Trust Help. I'm a real estate agent here in San Diego County, and I wanted to talk to you today about probate property sales. If you don't already know, probate is the process of a home that is not in a trust, but there may be a will, going through the court system. There's a lot of other pieces to probate, but for us and this specific circumstance, we'll just go ahead and focus on the sale of the property. The probate courts will help to manage the execution of the will and make sure that the estate assets are distributed properly to all the beneficiaries. Step one for the sale of a probate property is to make sure that the personal representative has been appointed by the courts. This means that you have been named the executor or administrator of the estate. You will have letters that are issued to you showing that you have been appointed, and that letter can then be used in all legal matters associated with the sale of a probate property. You will want to go through the process of finding a real estate professional who specializes in probates and trusts to help guide you through the process. My business partner, Kim Ward, and I have been in the probate real estate and trust business for many years. She has been in it for about 20, and I've been in it for about 10. The next step will be valuation of the property. A probate referee who has been chosen by the courts will come in and assess the date of death value of the home. What is date of death value? This means that the referee will come in and look at properties sold around the time of death of your loved one, and they will assess the value of the property based on that timeline. This is important because in markets like San Diego, the property values can change drastically over short amounts of time, and having an accurate value of the property from the date of death is really vital for the sale of the home. The next step would be preparation of the home. Your real estate professional can help guide you through this process. You may find that there is some cost-effective repairs. You might want to stage the home. Who knows? You may actually want to have professional photos taken if the home is in decent condition. The reason you want to prepare the home for sale is because you want to make sure that it shows to the best of its ability to anyone who's interested in buying. Your real estate agent will then help you with the following step. They're going to list the property, hopefully on the open market. That would be the San Diego MLS, multiple listing service. And with that, the home will be out for sale. You'll start to get offers. The offers then will be assessed by your real estate agent and you will negotiate the highest and best deal for the estate. An important piece of this is once you are in escrow, you'll want to send out a document called the Notice of Proposed Action. Your attorney will help you with this. The Notice of Proposed Action is just to let all beneficiaries know, hey, we are selling the home, this is how much we're selling it for, and this is what the proceeds will look like. The NOPA, the Notice of Proposed Action, is an important legal document and has to be completed, and you need a 15-day window to make sure that they have the allotted time to complete that. The final step would be the finalization of sale and the close of escrow. It's important to note that this does not mean the end of probate for you. Your attorney will guide you through the rest of the process, and it may take some time to finalize and get everything finished with the courts. Having the proper representation, that is, an experienced probate real estate agent, an attorney to help you through the process, is really valuable to you as the administrator or the executor of the estate. You'll find that all areas of the process are going to be significantly easier for you if you have good representation. I hope you found this of value. Please watch the rest of our videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our future videos coming up.